How to unhide locked chat folders in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'll show you the quick way to unhide locked chats folder in WhatsApp. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch WhatsApp application on your device. So I'll teach you the two ways to unhide locked chats folder in WhatsApp. One is when you scroll down to bottom of the screen, you will get locked chats at top of the screen. Simply tap on it and you have to unlock to continue by entering the password. So here are the locked chat section. Simply you can tap and hold a particular chat you want to unhide on WhatsApp and tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Simply tap unlock chat and again confirm face or fingerprint. So in this way you can easily unhide locked chats folder in WhatsApp. This was the first way. The second way is simply tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select settings. Scroll down, select Privacy. Scroll down and locate Chat Lock. Tap on Unlock and Clear Lock Chats and tap on Unlock and Clear button. You can add your password and this will unhide the locked chat folder in WhatsApp. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.